Electric scooters are a fun and eco-friendly way to commute. Riding an electric scooter around your area can be as thrilling as many other exhilarating activities. These e-scooters work with an electric motor and battery. Usually, they serve a common purpose, and that is to transport you from place A to place B. However, modern electric scooters provide added benefits and features. In recent times, most e-scooters can travel faster and longer distances, with features like Bluetooth apps, headlights, solid construction, foldability, and more. This transportation medium is the new way to go. Therefore, in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 best electric scooters which are nippy, fun, and might be the mode of personal transport you've been looking for. So let's dive into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Featuring a straightforward design and powerful motor, Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2 is the latest foldable electric scooter designed by Xiaomi, and it provides a very well balanced and easy to control riding experience. It features a brushless DC motor that can generate 300 watts of rated power and 600 watts of peak power. It has a high safety 12,400 mAh lithium-ion battery that has a capacity of 446 watts per hour. With this powerful motor and battery, you can achieve up to 28 miles of range pretty easily. It has 3 speed modes: pedestrian, standard, and sport, so that you can easily adjust according to your riding pattern. Besides, you can reach up to 16 miles per hour of speed with that. Its body is constructed from low-density aerospace-grade aluminum, and it can carry a load of up to 220 pounds. This scooter is so compact that you can fold the scooter together in mere 3 seconds, making it easy to fit in tight places. Besides, you will enjoy its features like improved front and rear braking system, 8.5-inch pneumatic tires, 2-watt ultra-bright headlight, upgraded taillight, reflectors, and Mi Home app assistance. It comes with an IP54 rating for splash resistance, and this battery has 500 charging cycles with power maintained above 70% according to Xiaomi. Xiaomi is a trusted brand, and its Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2 can take your experience further with its power, range, and reliability. Its perfect combination of practicality and good look makes it a great electric scooter option for you. The most balanced electric scooter will be nothing but a display if it does not get you from A to B in the most efficient manner possible. The X7 Pro is the latest foldable electric scooter from Turboant that efficiently transports you, boasts many numbers, and stands out from the crowd. With its 350-watt motor, you can drive the scooter up to a top speed of 20 miles per hour in just seconds, and its 10 ampere-hour battery will make 30-mile journeys possible. Besides, its batteries are detachable and replaceable, and therefore, you can opt for a very long journey. It has a tough metal frame, and you only need to follow 3 steps to easily fold this electric scooter into a compact size, enabling storage into your car or home. With a weight of 33 pounds, you can easily handle it and take it anywhere you want. It is equipped with 10-inch tube-thickened tires that increase shock absorption from bumpy roads, letting you conquer any road conditions, while its larger tires also allow for a more massive load. It has got a triple braking mechanism consisting of ABS or electronic braking system, rear disc brake, and a foot brake, ultimately resulting in a braking distance of 16.4 feet or 5 meters. In addition to that, its powerful 3-watt LED headlight will let you have more visibility at night. Foldability and portability with long range and fast speed make the Turboant X7 Pro an amazing electric scooter currently available on the market. Enhance your outdoor ride with the Balto e-scooter, a unique and durable e-scooter that can be a perfect companion for your everyday life. With its innovative features, Balto means more than just riding. Featuring a powerful 750-watt brushless motor, the scooter will let you reach a top speed of 17 miles per hour so that you can feel its thrill. Packed with a massive Samsung 36-volt battery, it can take you up to 20 miles on a single charge. Its battery is detachable and you can easily swap another battery to extend the ride. Plus, the battery transforms into a powerful and portable 500-watt AC power station when purchased with inverter to keep your power-hungry devices alive. This e-scooter combines a steel frame with a 6061 TCS aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, offering the durability you need while riding on bumpy roads. It also provides a new spacious platform, enabling you to ride freely. Moreover, with its new dual mode, you can quickly transform the Balto into a mode with a seat attachment, giving you the freedom to carry more and ride in comfort. By combining high-powered headlights with ultra-bright side lights and brake lights, it'll let you enjoy your ride even during pitch-black nights. It also has powerful braking power to provide instant stopping. With daily life transportation in mind, the powerful Balto e-scooter packs many innovative features and specs to make your commuting fun and enjoyable. With the combination of a strong motor and a powerful battery, Gotrax XR Ultra is a solidly built and reasonably priced model in its class that'll get you wherever you need to go. This electric scooter is powered by an improved 300-watt motor that can generate a maximum power of 430 watts. Besides, it is equipped with a high-capacity 36-volt 7Ah battery from LG, and as a result, you get a range of up to 16 miles of travel on a single charge. It can reach up to 15.5 miles per hour speed pretty quickly. However, it takes only 3 to 4 hours to recharge this battery. Its frame is made out of aluminum alloy that makes it strong and durable, and it can support a weight of up to 220 pounds. It also has got shock-absorbing air-filled tires, making sure you have a comfortable ride even if your road is full of bumps. It features a regenerative dual braking system, including electronic braking system or ABS and rear disc braking system or RDBS to provide you with adequate stopping power. It also features a powerful headlight, and its smart display will let you see information like current speed, speed settings, battery life, and more. In addition to that, it has an IP54 rating, so it works fine even if it's get wet. The Gotrax XR Ultra is an amazing electric scooter with the perfect combination of its price, performance, and functionalities. Its frame, features, and text make it a competent model that can get you easily around your town. Combining three indispensable aspects of electric scooter utility, styling, and comfort, Ninebot SEGWAY E25E has a more extended range, more speed, and improved practicality than its competition. This front-wheel drive electric scooter features a powerful 300-watt motor along with its 215-watt-hour lithium-ion battery that can generate a top speed of up to 15.5 miles per hour with a range of 15.5 miles. However, you can prolong the range of the scooter for up to 28 miles with an optional battery. battery. It has got a smart battery management system or BMS that ensures extended battery life, user safety, and precise power monitoring. Its 3 riding modes will let you ride according to your mood and feel. Its Eco mode ensures longer battery life, the normal mode enhances the riding experience, and the sports mode enables fast and furious riding so that you can have more fun. It has a regenerative front brake, foot brake, magnetic rear brake, and 3 independent brakes to provide incredible stopping power. It also has a cruise control option that will guarantee you a comfortable riding experience every time. Its frame is made of aluminum alloy, therefore it is robust, durable, and does not weigh too much. It has IPX water resistance for rough weather conditions, full functional LED display, Bluetooth, app connectivity, and many other features. The Ninebot SEGWAY E25E is an amazing electric scooter option that matches your mood and style with its performance. It is a great electric scooter in terms of practicality and has excellent battery management. So that's all about the 5 best electric scooters just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.